Welcome. In this video, I'm going to tackle the biggest category. Can you guess what that category is? Road and traffic signs. That's the one most students struggle with. What I'm going to do is explain the shapes of the signs. I'm going to show you some common signs that come up on the theory test. I'm going to explain the common questions that come up with those signs. And then I'm going to do the 20-question mock test with the Study With Me series. So if you struggle with road and traffic signs, this video is for you. Stay watching until the end. I'm Dorian from Think to Success. As I mentioned in the intro, I'm tackling the category of road and traffic signs in the Study With Me series. So I'm giving you as much information as I possibly can to help you pass the theory test. So let's get started. We're going to start with red circles. If you didn't know, are orders. Little tip straight away for you. 95% of red circles are no's. So if you get a shape of a red circle with the image in it, you don't know what it is, don't stress and panic. Go to your 4 options. They would always give you 2 with no's. Isolate the 2 with no's, go back to the circle, and then from that it's really easy to work out. So 95% of red circles are no's. The common signs that you see within the images are no motor vehicles, motor car, motorbike, no motor vehicles. Pupils get confused with this one each week, which is no overtaking. So cars side by side is no overtaking, where this one is no motor vehicles. With this one, it's no U-turn. Remember, we always drive on the left, so if you imagine going up and then round. If a question comes up and it says, what should you do before moving off? It's a shoulder check. It's not really to do with science, but that question comes up a lot and the pupils get confused. They give the answer will give a signal. So if the question comes up, you are driving off from the left, what should you do before moving off? It's give a shoulder check. In other words, blind spot check for those of you taking driving lessons. This one is no entry, red for danger. So it's no entry. Then you've got your parking restrictions. This one means you can stop to drop off and pick up your passengers. So you drop them off, pick them up, but there's no waiting. That's your parking restrictions. You can get this parking restriction in terms of a single yellow line as well for your theory test. And then you've got the X, which is reinforced. So there's no stopping at any times, and that would be your double yellows and double reds. So those are the common ones with your red circles. Then we move on to your triangles. Triangles, if you didn't know, this is with flow. Contra means going against the flow of traffic. That's why it's called an arrow. Because this one has no arrow, it's with flow bus and cycle lane. So that's what we're looking for. So no buses and cycles allowed, it's not that one. Contra flow bus and cycle lane. Remember, contra's going against the flow. Because it's got no arrow, with flow, bus and cycle lane. And let's check the last one, no waiting for buses and cycles, so it's going to be that one. And there you have it. Hopefully you got some benefit from this, the little hints, tips and tricks that's going to help you along your theory test and studying. If you got any problems, any questions, please leave it in the comments below and I will do my best to address it. Go off and watch another one in the Study With Me series or whatever YouTube recommends up here somewhere. You know I'm struggling to find out where YouTube puts this. And I will see you soon.